boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Man, y'all already know, guys, man, I done put this hood on my truck, man. I've been getting so many compliments, man. I've been everywhere I've been going, guys, man. People been pulling me over, flagging me down. Hey, man, where you get the hood from? This, that, and the third, man. Today, man, you know, I'm just riding in my little truck, man, and I'm actually like probably pull over, man, and you know, get y'all a full walk around and things like that, man, you know, for my new viewers. And other than that, man, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, guys, I appreciate if you jump down into the comments, leave your boy one of those fire comments, like, share, and subscribe, guys. You already know, man, we outside 2022, the Wolf Stop, you heard me? And let's go. Y'all know, man, it's been a process with this hood. Hold on. Y'all can see my little beard growing there. But yeah, guys, y'all know it's been a process with this hood, man. I've been waiting on this hood for like 2 months, guys. But it's well worth it, man, you know. Shouts out to my boy Fort Worth Customs, man. Y'all make sure that y'all, you know, hit them up, man, if y'all need any custom work, sunroof, interior, whatever, man. Hit them up, guys. But man, other than that, man, I'm just riding with my baby. We're just getting out real quick, guys. Yeah, man, y'all let me know. You know, y'all jump down into the comments, man. Y'all let me know, man. Did I knock it out the park with the hood? But me personally, man, I think I knocked it out the park with this sucker, guy. Man, ain't no other Tahoe on the street, you know, that's gonna look like it. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm not gonna say they can't mess with it. I'm just gonna say, you know.
You got that thing looking like a face.
Say that again?
It looks like a face.
Man, my baby said it look like a face, like somebody like. But yeah, guys. So yeah, that's what it is, man. I'm very happy, man. I hope everybody out there having a nice little weekend. You know what I'm saying? Stay out of trouble. But I'll cut you guys back on in a hot second. I'm headed to my little location, guys. I'm gonna get a little riding footage, man. You know, I kind of showed y'all what it looked like sitting still. But I'm gonna show y'all, you know, I'm gonna let my wife jump behind the steering wheel. And, you know, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, you know, as it's rolling, guys. So, y'all give me a second, man. Y'all know I'm approaching my little spot, man, my little destination where I do all my little, y'all know, where I do a lot of my vlogs at, man. If you're in the DFW area, man, and if you don't know anything about this spot, guys, then it is what it is, man. But other than that, I done made it to my little spot, guys. I'm gonna jump out and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all, you know, we're just gonna do a little riding around the parking lot, man. You know, so I can actually show y'all, man, how the sucker would look in motion. Y'all ready? Man, I don't think y'all ready, guys. Y'all ready, guys? You heard me?
They're ready, baby. They're ready.
I'm at my little location, you heard me? So look, I'm about to jump out, about to let wifey jump behind this steering wheel. And like I told y'all, man, I'm about to give y'all a little bit of this here footage. You feel me? Man, I'm outside. We back outside. It's 107 degrees out here, man. And I'm out here for y'all, guys. Y'all already know, man. You heard me? I told y'all when I'm going up, I'm going up. Who gonna stop me from going up, guys? You heard me? So look, I'm gonna turn this camera around. You heard me? And wifey gonna jump in the driver's seat. I take that back. And yeah.
We about to show y'all how it's done.
What you say, baby? But yeah, guys, so just drive around. You know, I just want to give them a little footage. So man, I'm gonna turn this camera around, guys, and give y'all this little content right quick. Y'all jump into the comments, man. Y'all let me know how it look, man. Y'all keep it real with your boy, you heard me? Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, whoa, yeah. Hey, Charlie was popping. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Whipper excursion. Dope boy splurging.
Yeah.
Too much ice on it made her nervous.
Damn.
Flexing on purpose.
Damn.
Still smoking cushion, still drinking purple.
Pull up.
Whipper convertible. The only thing that the streets respect is money and murder.
Sound real. real good, you heard me? I ain't gonna eat much cap, man. That thing sounds so good. We most definitely gonna smoke the windows. Those windows all the way out, guys. Like I say, man, we most definitely gonna smoke those windows all the way out. Let me see. One more. Man, yes sir. Y'all already know what time it is, man. It's the big PPV, aka the bat, aka the badass Tahoe guys. Y'all already know, man. You heard me? We're gonna put this together. We're gonna put this thing together piece by piece, guys. You heard me? So I need all my supporters right now, man, to jump down into the comments. Jump down, like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, guys. Y'all know, man, it's 107 degrees out here. Big old honeycomb. You heard me? But yeah, guys, man, I just wanted to give y'all a little bit riding footage, man, to kind of show y'all, man, how it actually look coming down the streets. What you can expect to see from it coming down the road, guys. That's that BTR stage 2 right there. But yes sir, guys, you already know, man, we outside, we back outside. I'm in my own little world, you heard me? I'm over here at my little VIP spot, guys. Hey, it's like this, man. Once I put that back bumper on, hold on, man, once I put this back bumper on, y'all, and run them 2 dudes, put that drop, game over. You heard me? I say game over. But other than that, man, it's your boy Big Smurf for the Whip Stop, logging on, signing out. Y'all know that positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, we gonna see y'all again. We gone.